everybody! In this video, we will be unwrapping something super exciting. I recently bought our little library, volume 2 set by Tabitha Paige for my little one and wanted to share with you on what's inside. Let's dive right in. The set comes in a sturdy box that's great for storage, and the design has soft and natural colors, so you can already tell this will be a fun and educational experience for little ones. I've seen this online and heard that this beautiful set is packed with engaging themes and focuses on key early learning concepts, perfect for young children, babies, and toddlers. This set is created by Tabitha Paige, a talented author, artist, and also a speech-language pathologist. So what makes this set great is that her expertise in language development and communication is embedded in the design of these books. Starting off with the first book is Ocean Animals. Each page introduces a new ocean creature with simple text that makes it easy for kids to follow. The gorgeous watercolor illustrations really help bring the sea world to life. This book helps teach about different animals and encourages curiosity about the ocean while building vocabulary skills. The last page has a summary of all the animals as well as a seek and find activity. The cover is hardcover, yet soft to the touch but also sturdy, perfect for little hands to hold and flip through without worry of damage. Let's take a look at the rest of the books in Volume 2. First off, we have Around the House. This is all about familiar objects and rooms at home, from the kitchen to the bedroom. It helps toddlers connect words with their everyday surroundings. Next is Clothes, which is where little ones can learn about different types of clothing, from shirts and pants to jackets and hats. It's a fun way to talk about daily routines and get them thinking about dressing themselves. Then there is Food and Drink, which introduces a variety of foods from breakfast items to yummy treats. It's a great way to talk about healthy eating habits with your toddler. Last but not least, we have Safari Animals, an exciting introduction to animals like lions, elephants, and giraffes. The beautiful illustrations capture the wild world of the safari, sparking curiosity about animals and nature. That's the full set. I can't wait to go through these with my little one. I think it'll be a fun and interactive way to introduce new concepts and items. And I think this also makes a very nice gift choice if you're searching for one, as it's educational, interactive, and durable, which is just what toddlers need. Thank you for being here and see you next time.